This is the Apray Bond Repair System. So I've actually been using this for years because this is my older bottle and this is the new one. The brand did send me to this, but as always, I will give my honest review. So what you get is you actually get the repair kit. So that comes with the bottle, which the sprayer, you actually need this one to kind of measure things. And then you get the treatments, you actually get two in this little container. It all fits in this cute little box. The sprayer is super nice, so I actually like to keep them because I use them over, especially just to wet my hair and just have a nice spray ball around because the fine mist is amazing. So what you're actually going to do, you're going to pour this in here, which I've already done, and then you're going to fill the rest with water. And that's things. And when you do your hair, you really want to soak it through just to really get it moist. And why I love this too, it actually repairs the split ends in your hair, which it has patented bond training formula. And you really want to make sure you get your hair sopping wet. Not sopping, but very wet. And then let it sit in for at least 10 minutes. I like to do it. I've slept with it overnight. And I'm going to do it while I talk. And I've actually slept with it overnight. And I always seem to get amazing results. Now I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to leave it in my hair for about an hour or two before I shower. And as you can see, the mister, super, super fine. So that's why I say keep the mister, because this mister is actually amazing. It's one of my favorite, but I like to keep it in my hair for at least an hour. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually do my hair. I just put my kids to bed, so I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to shower and show you how it is. After I finish doing this, getting my hair nice and wet. When you shower too, you can do like normal. You can shampoo and conditioner like normal. And you just see, like, surprisingly, I don't know why surprisingly, but you just see amazing results. As you can see, my hair is pretty well wet and with the product. And if in case you're wondering, you do get multiple uses. I've used this bottle that I made up like 3 or 4 times already. And as you can see, I have a lot of hair. My hair is pretty long. So if you have shorter hair, I imagine you get even more uses. So that this product really, it goes very far, surprisingly. So I just leave my hair up like this, go about my day, do whatever I need to do. Usually it's cleaning up and errands, but I'll let this work. So as you can see, I just got done with my shower. I did use the full Apray line, the shampoo and conditioner, and I don't have any product in my hair. I've just brushed my hair, and already you can see it looks like I have leave-in conditioner. My hair is super soft. The tangles just kind of, I wish I recorded my brushing of my hair, but I didn't. But I'm going to just blow dry my hair really quick, and I'll show you. So this is my hair after I've done blow drying. All I did was use the straightener and the blow dry attachment to my Shark. And as you can see, I never even put any leave-in conditioner, no heat protectant, which normally I would. But my hair, it really just looks like silk. And it feels so silky and so shiny. I'll give you a better look. But honestly, this is a product that I will be buying multiple times. Because for me, I'm just actually amazed at the technology. How even when I'm showering, you really feel the difference. That my hair didn't knot as much in the shower. That even I didn't really even need conditioner because it just felt so smooth. So I hope you're gonna love it too. The Apray is a new favorite, or I guess an old favorite.